Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asus router and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now this will work for basically all Asus routers. The only thing that will change is that the reset button is not always located in the exact same place. You'll just need to find your button. But anyways, there's kind of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where this router modem is not connecting to the internet, or you're not able to connect your devices, or if it seems to be slow or anything like that, we can do a hard reset. Now also, if you are unable to access the web GUI, maybe you don't have your password or something like that, because you can do the reset in the web GUI, but if you don't have the access to that, we can do this straight from the router. And the second reason you might want to do this is kind of that, if you just want to get a fresh start, get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do that really simply. So again, you can do this via the web GUI, but you'll need the password and everything like that, and username. If you don't have that, all you need to do is find this reset button that's going to look like this. And what you'll need to do is you're going to need to press and hold this reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the power LED light starts to flash on your router. And then what you need to do is just wait for the LED lights to turn on again, and which means that the reset is done, and at which point you can go ahead and reset your router and set it up as a new device.